I'm going to get straight to this and show you the setup I use to easily cast my Quest 2 to my TV using this Google Chromecast. You simply plug this into one of your HDMI sockets, and then to power it you plug the USB charger lead into here and then into the included USB plug. And as soon as you plug it in, you're prompted to download the Google Home app on your phone to begin setup. You have to go through a setup process on your phone the first time you use the app and the Chromecast, and this just connects your Wi-Fi and updates the firmware, and it only takes a few minutes. And from then on, whenever you want to cast your Quest 2 to your TV, make sure your Chromecast is turned on and select the HDMI port that it's plugged into. In your Quest 2 headset, select the share arrow icon here and then select cast. And you'll see Chromecast as an option. So select Chromecast and then select next, and it will cast straight to your TV. For some reason, sometimes you do have to do this last bit twice, so it casts the second time. And I've found the same issue when I use the Chromecast app on the Xbox as well. There's a fraction of a second delay from the headset to the TV, so I usually turn down the TV volume, otherwise you have this sound coming from the TV and the headset, which is slightly out of sync. And this can be distracting to you playing and a bit strange for those watching. If you're new to the Quest 2 and you want more tips, then you'll want to watch this video next. My name's Rich, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.